Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on Tools for Social Media Marketing, Part 8, I'm going to talk about content creation, the tools for content creation. Well, there are many tools actually available for content creation. I'm going to talk about three great tools which you can use to create fantastic content to the size of each social media platform. And you can use that to build your business, your brand, and your products and services. So let's dive in. Before you dive in, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. Please comment on my videos. So let's dive in straight away now. So there you go, guys. The first is, of course, Canva. Now, Canva is an amazing tool. It's largely free, although there's a pro version to Canva, and you can. There are so many different templates for so many different platforms, and you can really easily create or modify those templates and build your own campaign banners, your presentations, your Instagram posts. You can do letters, you can do worksheets, you can do so many different creations using templates. All you have to do is to play around with it, use and on top there are so many free images which you can use. There are so many fantastic fonts which you can use. There's so many elements that you can use. It's a great tool for people who are starting up on their social media marketing platform, or even those who have been in business for a long time. They still use. I use Canva very, very extensively for all my creative creations for my social media, for my business. And I always recommend Canva to all my clients, all the people, students who talk to me. So you can actually create images right from scratch. You can polish them, you can play around with them, and again, I'm repeating, I'm absolutely fascinated by Canva. You really would love using Canva. So Canva is the first content creation tool that I would recommend. The second one is Visually. Now, Visually is also very good for a creation, really creative creation of content. They look amazing. The platform pairs with those who need content and those and those who create content. So you can actually get content created by a certain number of content creators. And of course, there's a platform fee. They charge a flat fee for every project, which will include all the infographics, ebooks, videos, all the images, and all of that. So it's Visually is a great tool to build those content that are creative in nature, more visually appealing. And I would recommend, if you are open to spending a few bucks, you should definitely use Visually. The third one is actually Sprout Social. Now, Sprout Social is a social media consulting and monitoring company, but they have something called a Landscape. Now, Landscape by Sprout Social is actually a content creator, and that content really stands out for your social media platforms, including the images. So they will source images which are absolutely necessary and relevant to that particular topic, to that particular social media platform, and to that particular campaign that you are going to run. So you can really very quickly resize the images, put them in your canvas, and you can use that for pretty much all social media platforms. So Sprout Social is it's a great tool. It's a paid tool though, It's a great tool as well. And if you're more savvy with content creation, if you're more savvy with social media monitoring, and your business is a little in a little advanced stage, I would recommend that you use Sprout Social. So those are the three tools on content creation that I want to talk to you about. I will also link on the card above these tools that I spoke about yesterday. That's it, guys. So, as you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I will leave behind my LinkedIn URL in the description below. I regularly work with clients, companies, and startups to find challenges to find solutions to challenges to their business, to their marketing efforts, to their technological advancements. So if you're looking to engaging me as your consulting for your company, please subscribe to my newsletters, and in that subscription form, you'll find the third field. All you have to do is to check yes. I shall I shall write to you if you check that yes yes button on that form. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. Please comment on my videos. And I will. So the next part, part 9, on tools for social media marketing will be tomorrow. So I shall see you with that tomorrow on YouTube channel. Take care and have a great week ahead. And bye bye.